When ChatGPT came out, people were building and selling chatbots to website owners, which resulted in a good customer experience and increased the conversion rate. But now there is a new AI tool with which you can set up interactive AI videos on your website or store landing page to create a sales funnel, resulting in higher conversions. Welcome to Feedio AI, which lets you captivate your website visitors with AI avatar-powered interactive videos. Creating a video funnel is very easy. You just have to select your AI avatar, then set up the script, then select a component, such as a button or a text box, and then set the logic behind those answers, and finally copy the iframe code and paste on your landing page. Now let's build our video funnel. Click on the sign up button to create an account. After login, you will be redirected to the dashboard. This is where all your existing video projects are stored. If this is your first video, you can head to the left sidebar and click on Templates. From here, you can curate for the templates by selecting the appropriate category from the top. Let's see a preview of this template. You can also select from the top to see how it looks on different devices.
Hi, this is Vlada. How can I assist you today?
We will be building two types of videos, one for sales website and second for services business to capture leads. After selecting a template, you will be redirected to the design page. In the middle of the screen is the video preview which you are currently working on. At the left sidebar are the different scenes of this video, which you can rename and delete by clicking on these three dots. You can also add a new scene by clicking on this plus icon. Each of these scenes are connected and can be connected with other scenes with the help of logic. When you select a scene from left side, you can then assign different elements and logic from the right side to that scene. For example, you can choose an avatar from these, or can even upload your own avatar. Next, you have the option to choose a voiceover profile, set the language, and then write your custom script in this text box. This will be played in that scene. Next step is the Components tab, and here you can change the overlay text displayed in the video, along with the option to hide it if needed. After that, you need to define the answer type. Currently, it is set to multiple choice, but you can change it to buttons or star ratings based on your needs. And lastly, we can write the text for the multiple choice answers or buttons. If you need more options, simply click on Add Choice button here to add. Next, we have the Logic tab. This is where the video funnel is configured. If option 1 is selected, it is set to go to tracking page for order status, but you can change it to any other option, or can even set your custom link to any specific page on your website. So if the answer 1 is set to go to track order status, then at the left sidebar I can select the track order status scene, which will take the user to a custom defined link. Similarly, the return item link, as well as the recommended products link, which can be your store catalog page. This interactive video is a great way to help website visitors navigate through your store easily. Once you are done with the changes, simply click on the Publish button at the top right corner. It will take a few seconds to generate the videos, and after that you just have to copy the iframe code snippet from the Share tab at the top and paste it on your website. You can also get a direct link for this video and also a code for the widget to paste on your website. But let's say you sell specific types of products. For example, you sell cleaning products on your website. Then you can create a video to help the user curate through the products. You can ask the user what type of cleaning product is needed, whether it's for car exterior, car interior, bike polish, or the carpet cleaning. Then you can redirect to the product pages based on the answer selected. Now let's build a funnel for lead capture for a services business. Once again, I will go to the templates and select this lead generation template to edit. First of all, we have a basic introduction scene, and I can change the script from the right side. Then from the Components tab, I will write some text and make it a multiple choice and write the options that I want to offer. Now I will add 2 more steps after the scene. I am going to set the first scene to ask how many videos does the user want per month. Then I will set it the second scene to ask about the budget, and set a component as text box. Make sure to write the scripts for these scenes so that the video avatar interacts with the user on each step. And in the Logic tab of this budget scene, I will set up to collect the contact information of the user. Now in the contact info collection scene, I will add one more option. After the user submits the form, it will redirect to the thank you scene. Now I will add one more thing on the thank you scene by going to the Components tab and set the answer type to WhatsApp and write my phone number. It's a great way to convert your leads into sales by interacting with the user instantly. Now I can just publish the funnel and copy its code and paste on my website. Another great way is to make a brand new page on your website and paste this video funnel. Then make an Instagram or Facebook ad, or even a simple post with the link to that page. This helps a lot when you have a social following.
Hi, this is Vlada. How can I help you? How many videos do you want per month? And what's your monthly budget? Please provide your contact information. Thank you for providing your contact information. We will get back to you, or you can get in touch instantly via WhatsApp.
Video is an AI interactive video generator to generate leads, showcase products, gamify engagement, and collect feedback effortlessly. It can be used for marketing, video interviews, video surveys, product showcasing, as well as video feedback. Make sure to check this out. Link is in the video description. And if you are interested in using ChatGPT for your business, then check out this video right here.